So you take those bolts out and then you work this thing loose to get in there. The metal cowling fits very close to the large pulley wheel, so it's necessary to lower it to be able to get the belt easily off and back on. You'll need to remove both of the 2 Allen screws on the wheel. Apply penetrating oil to the 2 Allen screws. That would go this way, but I think it's all rusted up solid. There. Broke it loose. The oil helps tremendously. My forward belt had gotten loose to the point I had no forward drive to work on an engine. There. These are not designed to be worked on. And I get this thing loose. Doubt it. But it's much easier to remove the wheel to get the belt back on. You'll need to remove the reverse belt from the lower pulley wheel to get the forward belt off and then back on. The slot key on the shaft was rusted in place, so be sure to mark its position in case it comes loose. Now you got to put it back on with this over it. Somehow, is that possible? Okay. Almost. Earthquake didn't have any videos on this unit, so I decided to make this one after the fact. I had to figure it out as I went. Back down. Yeah. Is that tight enough? I do not know. How am I going to know if it's tight enough? Just give it a... I don't want to break the thing. Now I got to take it out. Rotate it around, tighten up the other one. There it is. So we got to push this up. Put that in there, this on there, and that's not so easy. Okay, get that started. These nuts are like vibration proof. There we go. It's tightened up. Same thing. That engages, disengages, and this is reverse. So this is how it goes on like so. Lining these up for bolts. There you go. Bolt goes here, bolt goes there, and then there. When it becomes stubborn to start, a little bit of this will help. Just gotta pop it in the right place. After testing, I can put the cover back on.